Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the economic calendar and today is the first Friday of December. So NFP coming up, non-firm payroll. So my dear friends, please be careful during the news, especially beginners, new traders who have very less capital right now in a very tight spot. You should avoid taking any position. Try to close all your USD position before the news. Observe the market to gain experience, but stay away from the market. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And as you can see, that previous data was 261k and the forecast is 200k. Let's wait and watch whether market meets the expectation or not. Keep in mind, news trading is considered as one of the hardest form trading. Probably you all have seen that market always market does not respond to the news the way it should react. So please be careful during the news. First of all, let's look at the chart of dollar. This is the chart of US dollar currency index. In my earlier videos, I've clearly mentioned that there was a high chance of market breaking the support and going down, and we saw that. Right now DXY is standing at 104.68. this is the current market price of DXY. Overall, the correction is continuing after the speech of Jerome Powell, and more or less fundamentally DXY is weak right now. Okay, but if you look at the daily chart, then we can see that DXY is standing at the previous support from the August, and this is also the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. So DXY is trying its best to maintain the support, to survive above the support. Let's see how the market reacts during the news, because after NFP, if market breaks the support and starts going down, then things will be critical for DXY, and maybe it will be heading towards 102 level. Okay, then 102 may be the next support for DXY if market breaks it during the news. And if DXY tries to recover or starts going up after the news, then DXY will be continuing the uptrend, or maybe continuing the uptrend above the 200 moving average again. So NFP today and the CPI on 12th December will be very important. Let's wait and watch. Now let's talk about euro dollar. So euro USD also showed big up move yesterday. It broke the previous resistance of 1.0480, 1.0500. right now standing at 1.0524. this is the current market price here. So we have few opportunities on the chart, so let's discuss one by one. First of all, let's talk about the bullish flag that is visible on the 4-hour time frame. You can clearly see that after the strong up move, market is consolidating right now. Okay, a clear bullish flag is visible on the chart. If market breaks the level of 1.0540, if market breaks the level of 1.0540, then market will be breaking the flag. This can be another breakout on the chart of Euro USD, and if it happens, you can go for buy position, especially after the news. Because during the news, before the news, usually we see market trading in a range. We see silence before the storm. So yes, there's a high chance that market may remain sideways. Market may take rest during the day so that it can show extreme volatility during the news. So as long as market is trading inside the flag, please be careful. If possible, try to avoid taking any positions, because in bullish flag, you should be avoiding taking positions inside the flag. As long as market is trading between these two lines, this is considered as the no trading zone. Okay, so if market breaks 1.0540 with good amount of volume, you can go for a buy position, especially after the news. And before the news, if it happens, if market goes for a breakout before the news, take the additional confirmation from DXY. If DXY starts falling, obviously you will see a good up move on the chart of Euro USD, and then you can consider taking a buy position. And on the other hand, if Euro USD starts coming down, okay, not about, I'm not talking about a trend reversal from here. Okay, if Euro USD starts coming down, then the previous resistance of 1.0480 to 1.0500, the previous resistance will now be acting as the support, because support become resistance and resistances become support. So in this case, the previous resistance will now be acting as support, especially before the news, when there will be less volatility in the market, when the market will more or less try to act normal. Okay, so in case before the news market shows some correction, you can expect the market to take support around this level. If market bounces from this level before the news, you can go for a buy position. But as this is the immediate support, so during the news, if Euro USD starts coming down and DXY starts going up, there's a high chance that market will break break this support during the news or after the news. Okay, so in case of news, try to avoid this level. Okay, so before news, this level has a high chance of working. Once market will come down for support and market bounces, you can go for a buy position. But after the news, try to avoid, because this is an immediate support. And after the news, okay, in case Euro USD shows a downside, you can consider taking a buy position around 1.4141. We have derived this level from with the help of Fibonacci here. Okay, so if market comes down to this level, observe the market and see how the market is reacting. If market bounces, if market shows support, you can consider taking a buy position. In case market breaks it, do not take any buy position, my dear friends, especially during the news. Okay, do not take any immediate position. Okay, if you see that market is following a particular trend, maybe an uptrend, maybe a downtrend after the news, try to follow the trend of the market instead of trying to stand against the trend of the market. So on the chart of Euro USD, I don't see any immediate resistance right now. So as a result, considering the present trend of the market here, it would be better for us to look for buy positions only. And after the news also, you must be careful. If market starts going up, if you see a strong up move on euro dollar, follow the trend, go for a buy position. And in case market starts falling, keep in mind we do not have any strong immediate support on the chart of euro dollar. So try to follow the trend and look for a sell position. That's it. And please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. As I already said, news trading is considered as one of the hardest form of trading. So please be careful. And keep in mind, no trader is 100% accurate. Even my analysis can go wrong. Okay, so please be careful. Okay, bye-bye. Take care.